On this episode, I'll be doing a repair on the bus. Here we are in Rainbow Basin, cruising down the dirt road, going about 20-30 miles an hour, and then hit this trench. Hey folks, we're doing another one. Doing the repairs to the bus. It is pretty bad. Door hits. The gaps in the door aren't too bad. I think it's just an adjustment, but I'll check it out. Let's get on it. Let's make some noise. Take out the license plate. Knuckle busters. This one got cut off. Yeah, it's pretty good. The whole bumper's pushed in. All right, let's get the bumper off. Have a little dent in the center. The integrity looks pretty damn good. Get the front bumper brackets off. Little bend right here. What I can do with that? Cool. Folks, let's go. Let's see what we got. But I got the door to line up really good. Nice gaps. It wasn't closing before. Closes nice now. I put a little pressure on it, pulled it out. I had a little dimple down below. I hit that out with the hammer while I was under pressure. Did notice the headlight keeper popped out, so I gotta take the headlight off. Fix that. There we go. We got this all lined up. Tack this back on there. It's a hard hit. There we go. Get it all welded in. Not the best because I got 30-mile-an-hour winds, but I'm happy with it. All right, I got all the stuff back in here. Got the doors closed. Got the heater on. And I'm sipping some coffee. Cheers, folks. Okay, let's get this thing back together. That was fun. A little exhausted, but that was fun. It took all day. I did screw around a little bit. I just leave loose. Get it in there. Get everything tightened down. See what happens when you go too fast down a dirt road and it's fully plowed? You hurt your bus. Tempo brackets. One piece at a time, folks. door to close really good. It's actually better than what it was before. No spacer needed, folks. Putting the washers on, the outer bolt. Assembly time, putting the nut on. Again, leaving everything all loose. 3/16 inch gap over here where it was hitting before. Nice even gap along here. Looks like my repair is working. What's this? Perfect. Well, it said I need to put a skid plate on it. Looks good. Alright, let's see how it looks. Other than the damage, looks pretty good. Looks pretty good. Nice. Nice. Looks pretty good. Solid. This side is so nice now. Yeah. Everything looks good, folks. There we go. Fixed the headlight. One of the inner clips popped out, and it's actually sticking out a little bit on this side. Super neat. That's fixed. Next. Welcome back. Hear that wind blowing on the door? Isn't that crazy? What I like to do is do the bottom ones first. And wiggle the tops. And we're back in business, folks. Let's get that license plate on. Don't scratch it. Just spinning, spinning, spinning. Here it is, finished and ready to go. The door, nice. Till we're pulled out, looks great. Hey everybody, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell. And if you want to see the Rainbow Basin video, it's right up here. All right, see you on the next one. Thanks for watching, everybody. I'm only 99,300 away from 100,000. Hit that subscribe button. Help me out here.